Good morning. For writing workshop today, I want to teach you that poets find a way to show strong feelings in their poems. They use some of the same tools that we've seen authors use in fiction that we've read, things such as capitals, ellipses, italics, bold letters. Remember what we called them? We called them craft moves. I wanted to share a poem today since our theme is weeds and seeds. This poem says puff. It's called Puff, and it says, puff, I found one. Puff, it's plump. Puff, come see this mushroom pump. Puff, it's spitting spore on spore. Puff, I'm squeezing more and more. Puff, smoke scatters summer air. Puffball babies everywhere. Puff. So this author is talking about mushrooms, and here's the picture. They're squeezing the mushrooms and letting all the seeds come out of it, the spores, which will make more mushrooms. Look at what this author has done. Do you see that word puff with the exclamation? Do you see that it is written differently? It's written in italics. And that is a craft move that this author made. This author decided to use that same word, puff, 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 all through the poem to get you to picture these mushroom spores going puff. Amy Ludwig van der Water is the author of this poem, and she was a teacher of mine. And she's a wonderful poet, a wonderful author. And this is one of the craft moves that she's using to get you to imagine. Puff, I found one. Puff, it's plump. Puff, come see this mushroom pump. Puff, it's splitting spore on spore. Puff, I'm squeezing more and more. Puff, smoke scatters summer air. Puffball babies everywhere. Puff. I would like you to try some craft moves of your own when you write a poem. Maybe you'll use exclamation points. Maybe you'll use capital letters to get us to say it loudly. Maybe you'll use ellipses to get us to want to see what comes next. What's going to be next? Maybe you'll make your shape poem, and that's your craft move. Just making it into a shape is a craft move all on its own. Whatever you decide to do, have fun writing a poem.